Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I am going to make a logo. So let's start. First I write dot and font name is Gotham Black. Don't align. Sorry, don't forget to align. And and don't forget to create outlines and ungroup. Okay, so first uh, control and space bar and right click. So it's very looking good. Yeah, as usual, you can see like object, path, offset path, and 3pt. Yes, and shift and right click to both selection and pathfinder and cut it with this and ungroup and delete and control J. Sorry, control G. And again, here's this and object, path, offset path, 3pt, and okay, and shift and right click this. Sorry, and again shift and right. Sorry, uh, offset path. We apply offset path in T and shift and right click and object path, set path, repeat. Okay, and shift and right click. Cut it with this. So if you like my video, then do subscribe and don't forget to share, like, and comment my video. And do subscribe for more info, for more Control G, for more uh, for more exciting videos. And don't forget to align it and change the color. So thanks for watching.